I'm back here with a look at Rndr. You can see here this thing is wedging up big time. This started at the beginning of May. All right, almost a whole month in this formation right here, right at the bottom, right on support here. So you got your 12-hour at the bottom. You got your weekly at the bottom. You got your daily at the bottom. Might be a decent place for a long position. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see here. You had your ABC correction over here. All right. We'll see what happens here. But if this thing break to the upside, we're right in that 618702 zone that I've talked about numerous times, and I expected it to give us some kind of problem, and obviously it has. Okay, if we put a fib on here, pull this down through, right in that area. Okay, we've gotten rejected a couple times off there. Right down on there. Man, oh man. I posted this in Discord just a little bit ago, and I also posted before this thing broke a very, very nice Bitcoin trade. Look at this. I posted it right before this thing broke out. I'm up 40% on it. If you're interested in getting in there, guys, sign up for a level 3 membership. Thank you to all the new members the last few days. I appreciate it very, very, very much, guys. Thank you very much. I hope everybody out there is making money. Posted this, posted Rndr, and I threw another one in there just a little bit ago. Oh, Caspa. That's another one to keep an eye on. That could be a nice, it's either going to break out or get rejected. It's running right up to the trend line. So, I hope Razzle and Tex help me out over there with some Discord stuff. I'm not real good at Discord yet. Getting there. All right, so we got the alerts out to everybody. Those guys help me out. And getting some nice trades out there. Bitcoin here, this move here should take it back up to $70,000, right around that range. That's the width of the wedge. If you measure the wedge out here, this should be a nice move for for a long position, up around 70,000. Right about to the top of the wedge here. Okay, that's the measured move for Bitcoin. We still have that weekly RSI heading to the upside here. Looking for a move right up 84, right up towards that 84 zone. Okay, now a couple things are pointing that way. All right, if you take, let's get these off here and go back to a daily. Oh, we'll go to a 12-hour. All right, just to show you here. Let's get this off here. All right, this is obviously the move we're in now. This goes back to March. Okay, put a fib on here, take a measurement here. All right, that's giving us the target right up around 84,500. Okay, now you had your corrective structure through here. This looks like a new wave 1, wave 2 right here. If we take a trend-based fib and put it on there, watch this. Okay, how about that? 83.7, 84.5, both of these. Oops, I apologize. That one there ain't right. That one off the wrong one. I apologize completely here. Let's move this down here. That's what we did here. We went off the closing candle, pulled it down. There we go. 84.5, 88. These are lining up pretty decent here. So, anywhere from 84 to 88,000 bucks, would make sense here. You got a 1, 2, working on a 3 through here. You could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. Expect this to head up a little bit further because Bitcoin having that break right now back up to 70. And this thing should push a little bit higher. This is probably a wave 3, wave 4, and a 5 up here. That would make your wave 3, and then a 4th wave pullback and a 5th wave up. Looking up in that 80-some thousand range. Okay, that should push everything back up there. We got Rndr on the daily reset here. A break of this wedge would put, let's see what it would give us. Take your measurement here. Say it breaks out somewhere around there. We'll put it back up around 13 bucks. I don't believe this thing's going to break to the downside. I just don't. Not with Bitcoin heading up 775. You know, me personally, I will be taking a deeper look at this here. This could be a very good long position right off of support with your daily reset. You know, if this thing goes and breaks to the upside here, this could be a very, very nice trade. Over on the crypto bubbles here, if you would, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I'd appreciate that very, very much. Definitely helps out here. Let's see where Rndr's at. There we go, number 28. That's pretty impressive. Look at the volume, 227.7 million. That's great. $3.89 billion market cap, ranked number 28. For the day, down 1%. For the week, down 8.7, wedging up. For the month, about 23%, and a 3x for the year. So, you know, look at this. Mostly meme coins popping today. Floki, Bonk, Whiff, you know, mostly your memes. Everything else having a minor pullback within the last hour, though. Look at this. And it's not small. It's pretty decent percentiles. You know, with Bitcoin breaking that wedge, you got stuff starting to move here. Okay, that open interest is getting back up there a little bit. 71.5 billion. Look at the volume of the crypto market. 157.5. That's up 23%, and liquidations up 22%. 154.5 million. All right. Not too bad. So keep an eye on Rndr there. Got a pretty decent move coming here. You got that daily reset, the weekly's right at the bottom here, looking pretty good. Your 3-day, let's look at the 5-day. 5 days right at the bottom, and the 3-day. 3 days actually correcting right here, but you know, I'm looking for. This was nothing over here, guys. Don't worry about that. But I'm looking for a break to the upside here. I really am. You do have an overhead trend line right here. Right through here. And you do have a bottom trend line here. Get a third touch on that. Would definitely validate it. But you can see this is definitely a start of trend lines. You know, that's how I teach over there in the lessons too. Over 9 hours of videos, over 22 videos over there you get with the level 3 and a link to the Discord. But you can see this is definitely valid. You got a touch here, a third touch would make it validated, and this overhead one, you know, it's going to get touched. This is definitely going to be a valid trend line up through here, you know, as soon as we get that third touch on this thing. But a measured move of this, let's take a look here. That could get us up towards our 1618. Yeah, something like that. Put it on top here. Say it breaks out up there. Look at that. Lines up to our what we're looking for, about 1860 here to the upside. So keep your eye on Rndr. You know, you got some big stuff coming here, especially with Bitcoin heading up to 85. That's going to push the whole market up, no doubt about it. And this whole move right here, it looks pretty obvious. All right, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did not violate what the top of this. Pull back 4 and a 5th wave up. Okay, and that 1618 would be up at 1860. That's what this is definitely looking like. So I'll be watching more than likely for a break to the upside on this. But overall, looking for Rndr for higher prices. All right, thank you so much, guys. I will talk to you very soon. Have a great day.